Though, Solo, last week, we talked about it. Solo revealed to Paul Heyman that Solo talked to Roman Reigns. And we found out weeks ago Paul Heyman has not talked to Roman Reigns since WrestleMania. So, is Solo lying? And Solo says to Paul Heyman backstage with the new bloodline, he speaks to Roman all the time. And Paul Heyman looked so sad. Look at that face. Look at that sad face right there. Roman. He wishes that he could be back in the beautiful, big, giant arms of Roman Reigns, but I have a feeling Solo's lying. I'm just going to say it right now. He is definitely lying. But what is happening here? I don't want to play the video because, copyrighted content. But this is from Public Enemies Podcast, a great friend. This gotta be some of the most unintimidating shit I've ever seen. What the hell was Tanga doing? And it's true. He sounded like the guy who throws the spears into Ace Ventura's leg in Ace Ventura 2. If you remember that movie, it's a good shout out. It's like, that's what he's doing. And hey, man, I wouldn't screw with a man who's making noises like I wouldn't. So I'm going to move on so I don't get attacked or killed.